of e-conference of Texila American University and participants and guests. I am very grateful to you that you have given me opportunity to participate in this conference. My topic is this: effect of education of diabetes in controlling the body mass index, fasting blood sugar, and knowledge gained by the patient in the OPD of Hospital Central Nakula. I am Dr. Madhumati Verma and I am working as a consultant internist and diabetologist and assistant professor with Ministry of Health Mozambique in city Nakula. This topic is very important in our OPD as we know that the education is very important to control the diabetes. Not only the medical part, medicine is important, but some lifestyle modification is very important to control the diabetes. So introduction of my topic is this. The global report of WHO is published in 2016 that told that there is a 422 millions of the adult population suffering from the diabetes, which is increasing day by day, is 4 times over the 1980, which was 108 millions in this world. We can focus in the Mozambique because I have done a study in the Mozambique. There is so many countries has a very high diabetic, but Mozambique I will focus in this because of short of time. Mozambique is located in the east coast of the Africa, and IDF International Diabetic Federation in 2015 did a study and found that there is about 274 and 700 diabetic patient, in which 9,716 is died. What is the problem in this community? They have a culture of the Portuguese. They have a dieting habit is the fried potatoes, fried chicken, and less of the vegetable, less of physical activity, sedentary lifestyle, and the change in the professional and urbanization, and dietary habit, lifestyle is not too favorable to the this diet, increasing the diabetes. And they also have very less knowledge of the diabetes. These people are not attending the so many group of this low income group, no access of the internet, so knowledge about the diabetes is very less. So it was very important to educate these people and help in the controlling the diabetes. You can see in this picture, this is a OPD of the diabetes, and the queue of the patient is waiting for the doctor to attend in the OPD. The education session was done 3 times, baseline, first follow-up and second follow-up with interval of 1 month, and each participants were evaluated. On the baseline, we have done one questionnaire of assessing the knowledge of diabetes in the baseline before starting the session, and post-test same questionnaire is given to the patient after completing the course and seeing that how much knowledge about the diabetes they gain. And before the starting the each session, the diabetic nurse is taken the body mass index and noted the blood sugar, which was done 2 to 3 days prior to the education session. That all is done statistical analysis, that we found that there is a significant positive effect in controlling all these parameter and gaining the knowledge. So what the problem is that you can see there is so many complications of the diabetes. If the diabetic foot is named obesity with the very various type of infection and uncontrolled. This patient is came with the common liver osmolar. That one of the complication we know, the diabetes. So the problem is that the patient is totally depends on the pharmacological treatment, and they have less knowledge of the non-pharmacological treatment, and they do not know what is the importance of the lifestyle modification and exercise, diet. So that forced me to do this topic. Objective of this study was that to change the lifestyle modification, gain the knowledge about the diabetes, so that they can themselves can detect the small complication and then to present to the doctor. And they have also seen that they are not adherent to the treatment. They do a treatment of 1 month, 2 months and run away. So, and they believe in traditional healer also. So one is the most important objective to adherence to the treatment. It was the objective of the study. Method of study, we have taken and done 648 participants in the education session. It was clinical intensive study. Inclusive criteria was that the patient is OPD of the diabetes of Monday, Wednesday and Friday of in Hospital Center Namuna, any age group, and who willing to participate and give a consent. Exclusive criteria, those that do not want and they are living far away from the hospital, is difficult to come every month for the follow-up. The group of educator was diabetologist. Diabetologist given the brief in education session, brief knowledge of the diabetes. Dietitian given the nutrition part. Psychologist is helped to how to live with diabetes, and physiotherapy is given in general exercise which is applicable to all. At the end of the session, diabetic nurse help in collecting the data and education how to use the insulin and glucometer and other instruments. All this after the completing the education session, all data is analyzed in the SPSS software 17 version, and graphs is made in the Excel. You can see from this table that the pre-test score is 2.33 with a standard deviation 2.11, and P is 24.33, P is significant 0.001, and post-test is increased the score 7.34 with the standard deviation 1.43, and P value is less than 0.001 is also significant. You can see after the completing the education session 3, they have increased the knowledge. And body mass index also you can see not too much, but the small amount is decreased from baseline is 26.89, it second follow 26.16. Blood sugar baseline was 10.50, and which on the second follow-up decreased to 8.89. In the mean value is standard deviation 6 and 5.19, and all this is P is the significant 0.001. A percent correlation also done with the age, with body mass index and blood sugar, which was significant less than 1.001. Post-test with the body mass index and blood sugar is also significant less than 0.01. Done linear regression, ANOVA analysis and post-hoc Turkey test, thus also shown with the dependent variable blood sugar taken and the body mass index, and the gain knowledge is independent variable is also seen. P is significant for less than 0.005. The graph you can see the knowledge gained by the patient in the baseline, a questionnaire that they answer, and after completing the education session, that yellow color, you are seeing the peak of the increased marks of the patient. It telling them indirectly they have gained the good knowledge over it. And if you can see the graph of the compared linear graph of the body mass index also from baseline to the second follow-up is gradually decreasing. Same as the blood sugar, fasting blood sugar is also. Other study is done coherent review RISI Kobler and also shown the same results. The conclusion is this, that each patient were evaluated in education session on the knowledge gain and body mass index and fasting blood sugar is shown a significant positive result after gaining the education session. The limitation was this. This is a government hospital and there is a very less facility available to the control the diabetes. Only the fasting blood sugar we can do. There is no concept of the post-prandial blood sugar and no other facility to see the complication. That also give me force to select this topic, because education is not needed any sophisticated analysis, and also sometimes there is a problem of the reagent in the laboratory. So patient, they are poor and they do not cannot afford to do the analysis in the private hospitals and private clinic. They are dependent in the public hospital. So sometimes the result also affected because of this. I have done only in the OPD of diabetes. This study can be done in other departments.
You have 3 minutes to conclude, please. Continue.
This can be done in the other department of the hospital, like emergency, intensive care unit, and it can be involve the district doctors to do studies, and as a family member we have not allowed in the education session. We can allow the family member and see in a study to how much because the family member is also the one of the collaborator to control facilitated to control the diabetes and help to the patient morally also, and diet and exercise and other things. This is the references, and we have taken for the study, and we have seen that patient is very during the study, patient are very happy, and all is welcome to our education session, and general aspect of the patient is also improved. They are more confident as compared to the previous before the education session. Started improving the blood sugar, started improving the body mass index, and also they started to bring in the other patients also, those who are not in the OPD, to is good for the all population in the city, and even in the from the district also patient is started to coming to attend the education session. Thank you very much for attention.